Hey yogis, welcome to my channel. My name is Kassandra, and if you can't already tell by the title, the thumbnail, and the box that's on my lap, I have partnered with Fabfitfun to show you what's inside their brand new spring box. So a great big thank you to Fabfitfun for sponsoring this video. I have collaborated with them many times in the past. I always look forward to receiving my box every season. So if you have not watched my previous unboxing and review videos about Fabfitfun, or if you've never heard about them, basically they send you full-size lifestyle products, so beauty, fashion, wellness, health, well-being, fashion, all of that, full-size products, and the boxes come out once a season, so 4 times a year. This is the spring box. Retail price of each box is $49.99, but what you get inside is worth well over $200. So because I have partnered with them, you can use the coupon code YOGA to get $10 off of your first box, and the link to that is down below in the description box. So as with all of my Fabfitfun boxes, I always open them before when I get them, and I try out the products because rather than just showing you what I got, I like to be able to tell you a little bit about the products and tell you whether or not I actually like them or not. So let's go ahead and open up this spring one, and I'll show you what's inside. So beautiful spring box. The inside is really pretty as well. It's kind of purple on the inside. So the first thing that you see when you open these boxes is the magazine. So there's always a different magazine issue with every little box that you get. And I'm going to keep this close by just because it has the retail value of all of the items that I've received. So the thing about Fabfitfun is that you can actually customize some of the items. So if you are a Fabfitfun customer, you might notice that maybe some of the things you got I didn't get, and vice versa, just because they can be customized. There are some options there. Okay, so once after you open the box, there's this HelloFresh gift card, which I'll just put to the side. And now, of course, like I mentioned, I've already gone ahead and opened this box, and I've tried all the products except one. So one I haven't gotten to yet, but the other ones I've been using, and I'm able to review them. All right, let's begin. I'm just gonna grab an item at random here. Okay, yes, I love this one. So this is from Quay, Australia, and these are sunglasses. And I got to pick, or like there were 2 different options basically in the sunglasses, and I got the ones from Quay, Australia, but they're called a My Girl in black/smoke. So they're black, but they have a little bit of a silver at the top. And I love these ones because they are very vintage and retro looking, but I'm hoping you guys can let me know by leaving me a comment below whether or not I can pull these off. They're bigger than sunglasses I usually normally go for myself, so it's gonna take me, I think, a little bit of time to get used to it, but I really like them, and they're really dark inside. Like there's some really good UV protection. All that to say, yay or nay with the glasses? Can I pull this off? Yes? I hope so. So this is Quay, Australia, $55, really like that. So already just with one item, you have more than what the box costs, which is $49.99. And if you use the $10 coupon, it's even cheaper than that. So I'm gonna leave this out to the side. Okay, now I'll show you the one product which I have not tried yet. Everything else I've tried, I've tested, I've been using, except for this one. So this is from, okay, so we had Quay, Australia. Now this is Way, and this is Haircare. It's a leave-in conditioner. I just haven't had the opportunity basically to use it, but really you would just like spray it on your hair, either when it's like towel dried and you went off the shower, or I think you can even use it when your hair is dry. But personally for me with leave-in conditioners, I like for my hair to be a little bit damp, but it would help to tame frizz and help with split ends, and help to keep your hair like really shiny and really soft and silky. So the retail price for this one is $26. So yeah, it does say to mist lightly with damp hair prior to brushing. So definitely use it on that one. So leave-in conditioner, $26. I'll let you guys know how this one works. I just haven't had an opportunity to really use it. It's February right now, and Ottawa is super dry, super cold. So my skin is dry, my hair is dry. So I will be giving it a try. I'll let you know how it goes. So $26 for the Way Hair Care. Since we're on the topic of dry skin, next product is a body lotion, and I have been using this every single day. I absolutely love it. So the company is Lavado, inspired by nature. This is body lotion, and the smell is so good. Like I wish I could get you guys to smell things through the camera, but it's mandarin, orange, and bergamot, and the retail price for this one is $19. So it's very hydrating. I've mainly been using it, I actually use it on my hands more than anything, and then a little bit up into the forearms, but I find my hands are what gets the driest in winter. But it's really nice and it's not greasy at all. It's very lightweight, but the scent is really good. So obviously if you don't like scented products, this is not going to be something that you're going to enjoy, but I love scented products so much. So I really like this one, and it goes well for like a spring box, you know, like the orange smell. It's very crisp, very fresh, without being like overpowering. You could still use like perfume or something if you're a perfume kind of person. Okay, let's go to a completely different kind of product. All right, this one, I tried to stuff it back into its original packaging, but I did a very bad job of it. So this is a set of jump rope, actually from, the company is called 11, but it's by Venus Williams. So the tennis athlete, tennis superstar. So jump rope, I thought this was really cool. I don't normally work out with jump ropes. I mean, my main workouts consist of yoga, walking every day, and I dance. But every now and then I'll like go to the gym or I'll do like a little home workout, and I didn't have a jump rope before. So we'll see if I start to actually use this. The retail price is $15. So one other thing that's really cool about Fabfitfun, once you join, you actually get access to what's called Fabfitfun TV, and that includes like a bunch of workouts, like yoga classes, fitness videos, all that kind of stuff from all of these trainers, like these celebrity trainers, basically from around the world. So basically, if you get the jump rope or if you get any kind of exercise equipment in a Fabfitfun box, it's not like they're leaving you to, you know, figure out what to do with it. There are actually like exercise videos on Fabfitfun TV that you can watch that take you through like jump rope workouts, for example. So I might try one of those and see what it's like. I've just been using it kind of like in my basement to warm up before I go and walk the dog, or to warm up before I start a yoga class, for example. Okay, the next item is good because it kind of goes with my New Year's resolution. So in January, I'm not big on resolutions and things like that, but one thing that I wanted to really work on in 2019 was to reduce, if not completely eliminate, single-use plastic. This will help. This is from Sip and Swell, and it's a reusable bottle, so either for hot or cold products. And if you had a Fabfitfun box and you received this item, it's possible that your bottle was a different color than mine. They were kind of selected at random, but I'm glad I got the pink one because that's one of my favorite colors. Hopefully this will help to keep me accountable for the rest of the year as I try to completely eliminate single-use plastic. It's not easy, but if you plan ahead, it's definitely possible. And Ottawa has actually eliminated the use of plastic straws. So a little fun fact about Ottawa, if you don't live here, if you go to a restaurant now or a bar, they won't actually give you plastic straws, which is pretty cool. Okay, I have two more products left. I'm saving the best one for last. This is the other one that I'm gonna show you here. So this next product is a body scrub, so that you would use in the shower, for example. It's called Relax, and it's a champagne charcoal scrub. And I wish I could describe the smell. So when you open it, it does look very fizzy, very bubbly, and it's like obviously charcoal color, so like a dark gray, but it doesn't smell, I don't know, it smells like strawberries and champagne and sugar and something else in there that I can't quite put my finger on. I'm gonna see if maybe they describe it somewhere. So it's from Mana Kadar. The retail value for this is $24. So I can't really find any information about the scent, but now that I'm thinking about it, it might actually be apple a little bit that I'm smelling. Yeah, I think maybe it's like apple, champagne, strawberry, that kind of thing. So basically you would just use this in the shower when your skin is already damp or already wet, just a little bit in circular motions. I tend to only use scrubs. I use it on the back of my arms. I have a lot of like the little red bumps, kind of like the chicken skin, and I especially get that in the winter. And same thing with like back of my thighs and things like that. So like a really nice, good scrub with dead sea salt that will help to smooth out your skin. Okay, next up, we've got another skincare item, and if you've watched any of my other Fabfitfun review boxes, you'll know that like I'm a big skincare fanatic. I take it very seriously. I love my skincare regimen. So this is from Dr. Brandt, which is a brand that I'm very familiar with and have used many times before. And this is for under eye circles and dark and puffy eyes. So it's not a makeup product. This is skincare. So it's meant to be applied. I mean, I would apply it under makeup, but it's an orange tint product, and I actually used it this morning. I've been using it a few nights, like if I haven't had a good night's rest. It's bright orange, but the orange is good because it's going to help to color correct the purple under your eyes if you do have like swollen, puffy, dark under eye circles. And when you rub it in, like, you have to be very careful when you apply anything under your eyes. You kind of just want to pat it in. There's a really nice cooling sensation, and it also tightens the skin. It's hard to describe, but it definitely feels like it, I don't know, like it cools and tightens the skin underneath your eyes. It does feel like it's almost being tugged a little bit, but in a really nice way. This morning, for example, like, I was out pretty late last night, and in the morning I was like, okay, not the most ideal way to film today, so I did have some puffiness. So I definitely used it, and it felt really good. So it absolutely did get rid of my under eye circles, and I do get sometimes a little bit of puffiness under the lid, and that tightening and cooling action just kind of flattened it out. So it's a really cool, interesting product. I've never had like an under eye product before like this. Retail value is $42, and this is one of the items that everyone got in the box. So if you were a Fabfitfun subscriber, you also have this in your box. Okay, now my favorite thing ever. So I don't know if you guys know this, but I am addicted, I guess, or I have a nice collection. Yeah, I'll just say that. I won't say I'm addicted. I'll just say I am a collector, because that sounds fancier. I collect robes. I love robes. If I'm home, if I'm alone, if there's nowhere for me to go, I'm not the kind of person that's gonna hang out in my pajamas or hang out in sweatpants. I lounge in a robe, and I collect a lot of vintage robes. Like, I have some from the 60s, the 70s, and then I also have like newer ones that I pick up in the store. And so I was super excited. This is one of like the customizable items. One of the options in the box was this beautiful springtime floral robe. So I absolutely love this one. This is from Show Me Your Moo is the name of the brand, which I actually really like. And the good thing about this robe is that it's very, very lightweight. So it is meant for more like spring and summer. It's too cold here in Ottawa for me to be wearing these robes. I wear like my really thick cotton ones, or my other fabric kinds, but this one for the summer would be absolutely beautiful. So it's called Show Me Your Moo Brie robe, and the retail value is, get this, $84. $84 for this beautiful floral robe. So this was, of course, in like really nice packaging, but I've been wearing it like all the time, so no more packaging left to be had. But I wanted to show you what it looks like, because this is definitely like my favorite thing. Another thing that's really nice about it, and that makes it good for like spring and summertime, is that it's not like a full floor length robe. It goes up to just like above the knee or something, and then you have like the shorter sleeves. So I don't know, I've tried a lot of robes, and I don't like when robes go all the way to your wrists, and I don't like when they touch the floor because it's too long and you trip on them. Anyway, I'm very particular about it, but this one I really enjoy. So by far the favorite item that I've received in my spring Fabfitfun box. All right, yogis, I hope you enjoyed this review of my spring Fabfitfun box. If you would like to sign up and get your own, I highly recommend it. I honestly can't tell you how much I look forward to getting this each and every single season. It's always new stuff. It's always really varied between like fashion and lifestyle and beauty and wellness. So you really get like a nice array of stuff, and it's just fun. I don't know, it works really well for this season, and it's so affordable. I got well above and beyond $200 worth of stuff here, and it was $49.99. So remember, you can use the coupon code YOGA at checkout if you would like to sign up, and you'll get $10 off of your first box. And remember, some of these items are customizable, so once you do sign up, make sure that you go in and you select the types of items that you would like in the box and make those selections. All right, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Please do subscribe to my channel. I put out videos every single week, and it's a wonderful way to support free yoga on the internet. Thanks so much. Have a great day.